Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll explain you how to create a Binance account from scratch. I'll also explain how to trade futures step by step. Everything will be explained clearly, so even beginners can follow along easily. You can find the sign up link right below this video. If you register through that link, you'll get a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Make sure to use the link so you don't miss out on the discount benefits. Let's start with the Binance registration process. When you click the link below the video, you'll be taken to the Binance website. On this screen, you can see that the 20% fee discount is already applied, and a bonus is also provided. You can sign up using either your email address or mobile number. After entering your information, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Continue to move on. You'll be asked to complete a simple image verification. Select a picture that matches the word shown on the screen. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the code to verify your account. Now, create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. It must include an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. If you see a field for a referral code, enter SKY333. This will activate special benefits on your account. You'll receive a 20% trading fee discount and additional bonuses. I highly recommend entering the code before completing registration. Once this is done, your Binance account is successfully created. Next, let's complete KYC verification. KYC is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since this step includes facial verification, we'll use a mobile device. Download and open the Binance app on your phone. Log in using the account you just created. You'll be taken directly to the verification screen. First, select your nationality. I'll choose India as an example. Choose the ID document you want to use. I'll select passport verification. Select Take Pictures, take a clear photo of your passport, and then click Continue. Take a clear photo of your passport information page. Make sure there are no shadows or reflections. Now, we'll move on to face verification. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete each motion. Once finished, your identity verification is complete. After about 1 hour, your status will be updated to verified. Now let's set up Google Authenticator for extra security. Go back to the PC screen and click Account. Then Security. Click Manage. And enable the Authenticator app. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will appear on the screen. Install and open Google Authenticator on your phone. Click the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit code will be generated. Now, on the Binance PC screen, click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. With this final step, your two-factor authentication has been successfully set up. Now, let's move on to how you can use peer-to-peer trading on Binance. To get started, head to the upper right corner and tap the wallet icon. On this page, you'll notice several different wallet options. The spot wallet is mainly used for regular trading and holding your funds. The futures wallet, on the other hand, is reserved for futures trading. First, choose the spot wallet. Then look to the top right side and select Deposit. From the available options, click Buy with USD Peer-to-Peer. Review the agreement and mark the checkbox to continue. After that, press Start Trading to proceed. To begin purchasing crypto, select the Buy option. Next, set USDT as the asset you want to purchase. Compared to BTC or direct fiat purchases, USDT often offers more stable and efficient pricing. Now, choose the currency you'll use and enter your desired amount. Once that's set, pick a payment method that works for you. You'll now see a list of available sellers on the screen. For a safer transaction, focus on sellers with a long trading history. It's also helpful to check ratings and completion percentages. When you find a seller you trust, click the Buy USDT button next to them. Before moving ahead, take a moment to carefully read the seller's terms. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. After confirming the amount, place the order by selecting Buy USDT. On the following screen, you'll be able to view the seller's name, bank details, and a QR code. Before sending payment, make sure to read any messages from the seller. Complete the transfer using the payment method you selected earlier. Once the transfer is done, return to the Binance screen. Then select Transferred, notify seller to confirm the payment. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof of payment. After that, confirm your agreement by checking the box below. Finish the process by clicking Confirm. After a short wait, tap the wallet icon again in the top right corner. Select Spot from the list. At this stage, you'll see that your USDT has been added to your account. Now, let's move on to how you can trade futures on Binance. Before you start trading futures, you'll need to move your funds from your Spot wallet to your futures wallet. Open your Spot wallet. Then head to the top right corner and choose Transfer. Set the transfer direction from Fiat and Spot to USD and futures. Choose the coin you want to move. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm. Your funds will be transferred smoothly and will appear in your futures wallet shortly. Now, to access futures trading, click Futures from the top menu. From the options shown, select USD futures. You'll now see the futures trading interface on your screen. Use the button in the top left corner to choose the trading pair. On the right-hand side, you'll find the settings used to control your futures trades. Start by opening the margin mode settings. With cross margin, your entire margin balance is used to support open positions. With isolated margin, only the amount assigned to that position is at risk. If you're new to futures trading, isolated margin is a safer and more beginner-friendly choice. Next, adjust your leverage using this option. Leverage on Binance can be set as high as 150 times. Higher leverage can increase profits, but it also increases liquidation risk. If you're just starting out, keeping leverage around 3 to 5 times is a safer approach. Now, move on to selecting the order type. A limit order lets you decide the exact price you want to trade at. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. Below this section, you can see how much margin is currently available. Here, set your order price and the position size. Now, choose the direction of your position. If you expect the price to rise, open a long position by selecting Buy. If you anticipate a drop in price, select Sell to open a short position. Click the Positions tab at the bottom to view your active trade. Entry price shows the average price at which your position was opened. Mark price reflects the current reference market price. If the price reaches your liquidation level, the position will close automatically to limit losses. P&L displays your real-time profit or loss. To manage risk, click the pencil icon next to TPSL. Here, you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit the trade, look for the Market Close All option. Choose either Market or Limit to close your position. Once completed, you'll see that your position has been successfully closed. In this video, I guided you through the entire process, from setting up a Binance account to placing futures trades. Everything was explained step by step in a clear and easy way. Your likes and subscriptions make a huge difference and really support this channel. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video.